Rev up your engines!
Turn on your right blinker. Pull up next to the car parked in front until the rear bumper lines up with the other car's rear bumper. But unfortunately, this might be hard to see. That's why, if both cars are similar in size and length, then you can line up your car's right mirror with the other car's left mirror. Both cars should now be in parallel, about 2 feet between the mirrors, or about 3 feet apart door to door. Turn your steering wheel to the right, one full turn of 360 degrees. Check your center mirror, left mirror, and your left blind spot. Make sure there are no other cars approaching to your left. Back up your car until the other car's license plate is in the middle of your passenger window. Turn your steering wheel to the left all the way. Back up your car until it is straight and parallel with the curb. Lastly, straighten out your steering wheel. Locate the parking stall you want to park in. Turn on your signal to inform others you're parking. Drive forward and pass your parking spot. Locate the car that is parked 2 stalls ahead of your spot. Align your side mirror with the car's side mirror that is farthest from your spot. Make sure your car is about 2.5 to 3 feet or a little less than a meter away from the back of that car. This point of reference works if you have an average compact or standard size car. If your car is a little longer, you'll need to drive up about 2.25 or 2.5 vehicles ahead instead of just 2. Now check your mirrors to make sure there are no other cars or pedestrians approaching. Turn your wheel all the way towards your parking spot. Remember to keep checking for pedestrians and cars while you are backing up. Back up until you're straight and parallel with your spot. Then turn the wheel 1.5 times in the opposite direction to straighten out your wheel. Continue to back up until you fit your spot. Here are 3 reference points to help you do 3-point turns much easier than you're doing now. First, turn on your right turn signal. Slow down and pull as close as possible, parallel with the right curb. Align the right curb with the center of your dashboard. This reference point works for average standard cars. Turn on your left turn signal. Check all mirrors and blind spot to make sure no one is in front, behind, or to your side. Pull forward while turning your wheel completely to the left. Your car will start doing a U-turn. Stop when your left side mirror aligns close to the left curb. Shift to reverse. Turn your wheel all the way to the right while you scan left and right for approaching cars. Roll back. Stop when your car aligns near the center of the road. Shift to drive. Turn your wheel all the way left while you scan left and right for approaching traffic. Pull forward into the lane.
And if you want to show off your own how-to video here, just email it to me, and I'll pick the best ones and show them to the world. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.